Welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I decided to do a Valentine's Day inspired look. This is something that you can definitely wear for Valentine's Day. It's so pretty, so dramatic. If you want me to do a subtle type of Valentine's Day look, let me know in the comments down below. I would definitely love to do it for you guys. But February is actually the month of my birthday, so Valentine's Day is also one of my favorite holidays. So I really love Valentine's Day makeup tutorials. I love the pink, I love the mauve, I love the glitter, especially in the inner corners of the eyes. Definitely brings the whole look to another level, and it's definitely my favorite look to go for. But anyways, if you guys want to learn how I got this look, just keep on watching the video. I will definitely love for you to subscribe to my channel, comment and like this video if you do. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah. The first thing that I like to do, of course, you guys already know, is prime my face. What I like to use to keep my face moisturized and just to give me a little bit of hydration, I like to go with the Farsali Unicorn Essence. This is a serum which is going to help to hydrate your face, especially if you have dry to combination skin. My face tends to be very dry during the winter time, so that's why I like to use something that's going to be hydrating for my face and just keep it just supple. So I don't know what it is with the winter time. Lately my skin has been feeling very dry, and it has a sticky layer which is going to help to have your foundation adhere better to your skin. And it comes with a little applicator like this. So what I like to do is just put it on. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Primer, or not primer, but the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to apply that on my eyes. Really love this thing because it just helps to create like a canvas for your whole eye and helps the eyeshadow adhere better as well. I don't know, I just like priming my eyes with a concealer rather than an actual primer. Since I am going to be creating a more dramatic look, I am going to be going in with some tape. I'm going to apply that at the corners of my eyes. And you don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but it just creates much of a cleaner look to your whole eye. So the one palette that I'm going to be using, which is an oldie but goodie, is the Too Faced Chocolate Bun Buns palette. I'll be showing you guys in a minute how it looks like. And the other one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. The first color I'm going to go in with is the color Mocha, which is from the Chocolate Bun Buns. And it's a beautiful brown shade. I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelids. Actually, you guys, my birthday is actually in February, and that's also one of the reasons why I'm creating this look, because I don't know if I'm going to wear this look for my birthday, but yeah, I'm very excited. And the next color I'm going to be going in with is the color Love Letter, and I'm going to be going in with the M441 brush, and I'm just going to apply that all over my eyes. Sorry you guys, I'm going with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Renaissance palette. And I'm just going to apply that all over. This is also going to be as the transition for our whole eyes. So I'm going to be going back to the Chocolate Bun Buns palette, and I'm going to pick up the color Dark Truffle, which is more of a darker shade. This is going to give a little bit more dimension. It's going to create more of a smokier eye look for the eyes. And I'm going to be going in with the E17 brush from Morphe. Focus that mostly on the outer V. Bring it halfway into the eyes. And then with a fluffier brush like the M441 brush, you're just going to go into circular motions and move it upwards. Remember that you want to hold your brush at the lower part of the brush so you get a little bit more control, and that way you're not like going in with your brush too harsh, and it just helps to blend the whole eye look much easier, much better. Okay, going back with that love letter color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm just going to buff that color in here. So what is going on out there? You guys hear that sound? I don't know. I'm gonna do a cut crease actually for this makeup look, and what I like to do to create a cut crease, I like to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and a tapered brush, because I like to do that for my eye look. So with the concealer, I'm just going to apply a little bit on my hand, and then with the brush I'm just going to create a little bit of a cut crease just halfway from the eye. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. It takes a little bit of practice, you guys, to do a cut crease. I know when I started off doing cut creases, it was a little bit harder for me to do because you have to really practice. So I know you guys are going to get it eventually. It just takes a little bit of time to do it. So the other color that I'm going to be going in with from the Anastasia palette is going to be this beautiful color here called Veneer, which is going to be applied on my cut crease. And I am going to be using a flat brush. I am going to apply a little bit of spray to intensify the eye look. Do the same thing to the other eye. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty palette, and I am going to pick up this middle shade here. I forgot the name of it. I think it's called Meteor Crush. I think that's the name of it. And it's a beautiful pink color. I'll show you guys how it looks like. Beautiful color. You can take your fingers if you want, which is just going to intensify and give it more of a pinker look to the whole eye instead of it being so white. And you can take the same brush and also spray it a little bit with Fix Plus and go in with the color. So I like to also apply a little bit of shimmer. So we're going to go in with the Too Faced Glitterly Glamour Dust, and I am going to apply that on the inner corner of my eyes, and with some glitter glue. This one is also from Too Faced. Going to apply a little bit on my hand with the tapered brush. I just cleaned off the concealer that I had. I'm going to pick up that color, this glitter, and I am going to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe 441 brush. I'm just going to blend whatever I have on my brush. I want to blend these two colors together so it doesn't look too harsh. Do the same thing with the other eye. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. I'm just going to remove the tape now. So that is the eye look. Now I'm just going to apply my foundation. I'm going to remove a little bit of the glitter that's underneath my eyes. That's why I didn't want to wear any foundation, because glitter tends to get all over the face when you're working with it. So I am going to be trying a foundation that is going to be more of a full coverage foundation, and it's going to last me a very long time, especially if I'm going to be going out to dinner, to the movies. I'm going to go try in this Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, And this one is in shade Golden, and it's number 312. I have not tried this foundation by Maybelline yet, but I think it's my shade. So we're going to give it a go. I'm going to see how it looks on my skin. If you guys want a full review on this foundation, let me know in the comments below. I would love to do it for you guys. But for this time, since it's my first time trying it out, I'll give you guys maybe a small little review on how it looks on my skin. So I'm just going to open it up. It comes with a pump, and that's a good thing. So I'm going to put it on my hands. Maybe like 3 pumps. Hopefully that works. So I just wet my sponge. So I'm going to try one side with the Real Techniques blender sponge, and then the other side I'm going to try it with the brush and see how it does. You guys know that I really don't like applying it with a sponge because I feel like it soaks up the product. But because it is full coverage, supposedly that's what it says on the packaging, I'm going to try it with a sponge on this side and see how it works into my skin. Wow. Wow. Wow, it blends it so flawlessly. Wow. This foundation is so good, you guys. Really do love the way it's looking on my skin. I would definitely apply this foundation with a sponge. And you don't really need much. Actually, it's definitely full coverage. I'm just going to apply it and work it down my neck. And I think the color matches me pretty good. Wow, this foundation definitely tops it. Definitely is a wow factor. I don't think this is a medium coverage at all. It's definitely full coverage. So if you are looking for a full coverage foundation, definitely give this a try. I'm sure you guys are going to fall in love. And I would apply it with a wet sponge because it gives you a beautiful flawless finish. Now I'm going to apply my concealer. I am going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade number 25. I'm just going to apply this like a V shape. Bring it there, and I'm going to go in with a sponge and work it in. This is actually one of my favorite concealers from the drugstore, the Fit Me Concealer. So good. Now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. This one is in medium. It's going to apply a little bit down my nose, a little bit up here, just to give me a little bit of a highlight in there. Work that with a sponge. When you apply a highlight concealer, you definitely want to apply it right underneath your eyes. This is going to create a highlight effect. I'm going to go back with the Chocolate Bun Buns, and I'm going to go in with the color Mocha, which we used earlier for our transition. Do that. Now I'm going to go back to the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to be going in with the color Love Letter. So apply that underneath our eyes. And I'm going to go in with the color Dark Truffle from the Too Faced Chocolate Bun Buns palette. And I'm going to just focus that on the outer part of my eyes only. I'm going to pick up the color Vermeer. I'm just going to apply it just right on the top here. Now I'm going to go in with a mascara. I'm going to go in with any mascara. You guys know that I don't really have a favorite mascara right now, but the Lancome is actually a pretty good mascara. But before I do that, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. I want a dramatic eyes. So I'm gonna go in with the Cocoa Lashes called Goddess. I got this online, and I don't know if you guys can see, but I think the camera is kind of washing it out. But it's very flared out at the corners, which is totally up my alley. I love eyelashes like that. So I'm gonna give this a try and see how it looks. This one's my Duo Adhesion Eyelash Glue It's my favorite one from the drugstore, so I am going to be using that. Okay, guys, so that is my eyelashes. OMG, these eyelashes are so pretty. You guys have to give this eyelash a try. I got it from the Coco Lash. Was it online from Coco Lashes? But I will list the where I got these eyelashes from and what website on the description box, so you guys can take a look at them and see if you guys do like them. But these are the eyelashes. They're so pretty, so flirty at the corners, and yeah, definitely a beautiful eyelash for this eye look. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX matte bronzer from So for my bronzer, I'm gonna be going in with the NYX matte bronzer. I'm not gonna do a cream contour for this look, but you can definitely do that if you like. I'm just gonna go in with this bronzer, and I'm using more of like a tapered brush. Bring it up here, here. I'm gonna set my concealer as well, so I like to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. It looks like this, and I'm gonna be applying that with a sponge. And while that sets, I'm gonna contour my nose. All right, so I made a mess. Looks like I made a mess here, so I'm just gonna dust that off. Okay, you guys, so I am pretty much done with this whole makeup look. The only thing that I have to do is my highlights, and I am going to be going in with the Becca highlighter. This one is in the Champagne Pop. It's a beautiful highlight. I will show you guys how it looks like. Very, very pretty. I've used it in a couple of my other tutorials, and you guys will see how I apply it. I like to spray my brush with Fix Plus before I do anything, so this is going to intensify the highlight, but you can definitely use it alone. I'm just going to work it into the highlight and apply it on my cheeks. So right here, I like to apply. So that's where I like to apply my highlight. Just going to give you a nice glow, as you can see. I'm just going to moisturize my lip a little bit. I think I got this from Ulta, and it's kind of like a moisturizer for your lips. And this is from Korea, I believe. That's where the brand is from. I don't know what the name of it is. But now for my going in with my blush, I wanted more of a subtle pink because it's already, we have the whole makeup look is very intense, especially the eyes. So I'm going to be going in with the Tarte True Love blush. This one's a really like mauve-y color. It's really, really pretty. And we're just going to dab it all over the cheeks. There we go. So one thing that I will be using is the All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. It's my favorite setting spray because it'll keep your whole makeup in place. And I love this setting spray. It's my favorite. So I'm going to do this right now. So that is pretty much everything. For my lips, I did use one thing. I used the Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick, and it is in the shade Backtalk. And it's such a pretty, nice pink mauve look. It's a little bit more pinker than mauve, but it definitely works with this whole eye look. Doesn't look too crazy with it. So I really love how the whole makeup turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this makeup look. Of course, it's a little bit more dramatic. It's not a subtle makeup look, but it definitely looks so pretty for Valentine's Day. If you guys want me to create a more subtle eye look rather than being too dramatic, let me know as well in the comments below. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more tutorials like this. And if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up as well. And I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.